What is up, YouTube? Chaz here, and today I'm here at the Bern Regional. I went top 16. I know it's not crazy, but I just felt like doing a deck profile, for my channel, just so I can track my performance myself and for the others. And I played Tearlaments. I went 6-2 with it, and I really like the deck. It's so much fun. Tearlaments best deck. Let's get right into it. So first, the standard. You have your Rhino at 3. Tearlaments at 3. I like Rhino at 3 because it's such a great mill. It's also an extender. Sometimes I use to go into Goddess. But yeah, it's pretty much a standard lineup here, so nothing special. Also then 2 Fenrir. It's a good search for Tearlaments. You gotta play it for consistency. And then you have, of course, the most broken ones. This I played at 3, but I felt like I had to cut one to make some space, so I stay at 40. I didn't want to play 41, and the shop versus the Millers, it's just broken. Then I chose not to play King of the Swamp because I don't really like it. It's not necessary at all because you can do Baroness anyway easier. You just go. I played Destrudo, so you just go Nessie, Destrudo into Baroness, for example, and it's Aqua and level 4 extender, and so yeah. Nothing much to say about this. 2 Mali for the Turbo and Beatrice. The Shadow package. I played Winda. Winda is such a good card for just hard Winda pass, and your opponent has to out it. But I think I might cut Hollow, to be honest. I think Beast is enough. Sometimes the Hollow is just on my hand and just doesn't do anything at all. Destrudo, this one is MVP. It's just too crazy doing Baroness in this deck. It's too strong, way too strong. I decided to play 3 Crows in main, which was pretty good against certain matchups like Unchained Pearly on the Sleepy Memory. It came up pretty well. I'm not sure if I want to keep this though, but it was good. For example, if I went King of the Swamp, King of the Swamp, the Swamp King, the Swamp Dragon. So yeah, it performed pretty well. So plus the mirror match tier respected. Only 2 per Rhino. The reason is I play Terry Karma, and I just want good meals. Good meals. But I just want good meals, and you don't really miss it. Terry Karma searches for you, so that's plenty. And then Scream, 3 Scream. Yeah, standard, but some play it at 2 actually. I prefer 3. The power card, way too broken. And this one is interesting. I played 3 Soliek instead of 2-1 Meta Noise. Reason is when testing, I had so much Meta Noise milling Meta Noise at the beginning, doing nothing, and I just prefer to have the Soliek, which could search right away. So 3 Soliek was pretty good for me. And I want Tribute Karma. Then next, the extra deck. Standard lineup, I'd say, with these fusions. Yeah. Without the Swamp King, you don't play Rule Colors, of course, and no Grapha. Then I play Cross Sheep. Cross Sheep, yeah, I rarely made it. When I made it, it's just for Link to Father. Barricade Blocker came up a few times to unbrick my hand. Then Dark with the Sprint. I really like this. You always go Dark and Sprint for a comeback. And the Underworld Goddess, yeah, it's just way too strong against Pearly, for example. Then the Xyz light up, the Abyss Dweller, respect the Mirror Match, respect Unchained, of course. Redoer and Beatrice, obvious, and the 1 Baron, of course. Next, as for the side, I played 3 draw on the side. This won in many games actually, against Pearly, against Runic Furhire. It's just too strong. Bestial, 2-1 ratio. Respect mirror match, of course. Although I only had like one mirror match. Time card, whatever. This package, it didn't come up today. I didn't play against Flanderies at all. Ranked League, you could also play it. But it's such a strong card just to go against Flanderies, just zombie work pass, and you know, it's GG if they don't have any outs. I used to main Droplet. I might switch back with DD Crow, who knows. But yeah, I like this card a lot. Since it's just flexibility, sending cards like Trivi Karma or Argido or whatsoever against strong boards. For back row 8, just one Harpy, one Feather Duster, and of course the one Crime to negate. Yeah, that was about it for my deck profile. Shoutouts to my team ONI, shoutouts to Marek, my homie, doing the video for me. The team, of course. Shoutouts to everybody, like, also shoutouts to Firat. We built this deck last in YCS, of course, also together. And yeah, thank you so much, and have a nice evening. See you guys.